Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel once more. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can convert your PDF into a Word document. That way, making it editable so you can format it to whatever form that suits you. I know most times we struggle with PDF formats because we can't seem to change the text or alter it in any way. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that easily. This is a simple method that can be done in very easy steps. So you do not need to necessarily download a special app. You just need your Microsoft Word to do this. Now, this is something you're interested in. Do come along with me as I share my screen and show you the easy way in which you can transfer your PDF to Word documents. So I'm currently on my screen now, and over here you can see I have my files, my folder open. So this is a PDF which I would like to convert to Word. So the tool we're going to be using for this is Microsoft Word. This is the 2013 version, I believe. So all I have to do is get your PDF that you want to convert into Word. Just drag and drop. And there you have it. So it's going to load now. We're just going to allow that load. So we're just going to click on OK for that. So basically you can edit it, but if there are lots of graphics, you might need to do a little bit of touch up here and there. So we're just going to let that load. Then once it loads, we're going to see how that looks like. So now it has opened up, and this is the Word format for the PDF version, which I just got off from online. So as you can see here, it's now editable, so I can edit that, put in some names, change the name to maybe Tochi Daniels or whatever name I want to put there. So this was gotten from the PDF, and that is how you change your PDF documents to a Word editable format. Thank you for sticking with me throughout this process. Now, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, and of course, please like the video and turn on your post notifications so you do not miss out on amazing content I'm going to keep dropping on this channel. See you on my next video. Bye.